Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Try It with Tanny. My daughter created that banner years ago and I didn't want to get rid of it, and I cannot remember where the file is. But we're going to try this painting my refrigerator with spray paint. So right here I'm just giving you a view of my white refrigerator against the gray wall, which was okay when the stove was white, but now we have a stainless steel and black stove, and so we need to change this one. Right here I am showing you that I'm about to wash off the refrigerator with the product from the Dollar Tree, the Awesome. I don't know what is in that thing, but it totally is awesome. Right here is the high performance enamel that I got from Lowe's. I had to take the affiliate's word for it that it is the stainless steel color because there aren't any words on it. Here I'm just shaking it for about a minute as the directions say to do. Now, this is one whole can. It only did the left side of the refrigerator, the very top door, and part of the bottom door. One whole can, and that's it. I'm just a little bit frustrated, and as you can see, there are a bunch of spots and where it looks like that I've held the can in place for too long, but I promise you I was doing the sweeping motion with it. Here is the finished refrigerator. Now, I'm a little upset. I should have just used the wrap contact paper, but I didn't want to wait for it to come in the mail because they did not have any in Lowe's. So if I had to do it again, I would just use the wrap paper. It took more time for me to wash everything. The floor again, the counters, even though I had them covered with plastic, and I had stuff on the floor, but the dust of it just got everywhere. And this is the color of it. I don't like the color of it. It is very dark. It does not match my stainless steel stove. So I'm not angry, but I'm not happy, and I have to live with it. So this is from the other angle where you can see, and right here I'm showing you that the top of the can is very light and the refrigerator is very dark. So I'm a bit upset by that. If you want to do the same, I suggest you do a shade lighter. Maybe that'll work out, but this is what I got. Right here, I'm going to put the can closer to the refrigerator so you can see from a distance and with the natural light that top of that can is light and that refrigerator is dark. Let me know in the comments what you would have done differently. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So I wanted to show you the refrigerator and the stove in comparison. I originally stopped the video before this, but I was like, you know what, let me do the comparison of the stove and the refrigerator. As you can see here, the stainless steel color looks closer to the top of the enamel. And then the refrigerator is just this dark gray. It has my kitchen looking extra dark. But this is what it looks like. I am going to do the floors later. I'm going to do the microwave and probably some of the backsplash. So like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.